If we just ask the public tonight, how do you prove fault? They would say, well, if I'm in a wreck and the police report says it's my fault, then it's my fault. If it says it's the other person's fault, then it's the other person's fault. Well, that's not true. You know, first off, the police officer, chances are, did not witness the collision. And so everything he's getting is just, he or she is getting is just hearsay. It's from what someone may have told them. So one of the things I always say is, look, the police report has good information on it. It may identify witnesses, but it's not going to be admissible. Therefore, it's very important that you get a lawyer working very quickly, because lawyers go to the scene, they identify the physical evidence, they hire experts, they interview the actual people who participated, who were witnesses, who were involved. That's how you prove fault, not by the police report.
The police report, what does it actually help with? Well,
it can help with identity. For instance, if there's a question about who really was involved, the police officer may take photographs, the police officer may make a sketch, the police officer may do what we call an accident reconstruction. But many times, look, police officers have so many accidents to respond to on any given day. They come, they get the vehicles off the road, they ask some questions. Usually the person who's most seriously injured is already at the hospital, or in some cases they're deceased. So you're only getting one side of what happened. And let's be honest, I mean, some people have a tendency not to tell the truth. So the information...
Really, Matt? This is eye-opening. Some people don't tell the truth to police officers?
Especially when there's a situation where there's a serious injury or death. Someone panics, they don't know what to do, and they're very selective sometimes in what they say.
Would you recommend that people get a police report? Because I've heard differing opinions on this, that if it's minor and you're blocking traffic, don't worry about a police report, get that person's contact information. Do you say always call?
You need to contact the police.
Always contact them.
I mean, if you don't, there's always going to be questions about whether the wreck happened. There could be questions of whether or not you were involved in a hit and run. You need to take the time, no matter how busy you are, to contact the police. You may have to move off the road a little bit, but don't leave the scene.